A safe alert has been issued for Pinal County Sheriff's Office. This is the Arizona Department of Public Safety. Pinal County Sheriff's Office is looking for 11-year-old Nikolai Strelecki, last seen on foot in the area of E Hunt Highway and E Bella Vista Road in Santan Valley. Nikolai has a medical condition which may cause him to become disoriented or easily confused. He is 5 feet tall, 110 pounds, with brown hair and blue eyes. Nikolai is believed to be wearing black and gray shorts, with no shirt and no shoes. If you have contact with this safe alert, please call 911. Monitor TV and radio for updates.